I know, huh?
Away we go.
FMS 182, 4-cell, 3600 milliamp battery.
Hey, took a long landing roll, didn't it? Takeoff roll, I mean. Got about 4 feet and it was gone.
I know.
That was only half throttle takeoff. Yeah, just move it there.
Well, that's why I said there's no sense. You don't get days like this.
No.
Take advantage of it.
Well, this is perfect flying.
It is.
It's no slow enough to look scale. I had one of those fly over the field here a couple weeks ago.
Yeah.
Damn stinker came right over the runway.
Really?
You know they gotta know this not a place they should be flying.
Right.
Yeah, we have to stay out of that way. They ought to oblige us, you know.
Like somebody put some red streamers on the fence.
Yeah,
That was a good idea.
it is. Give you a little perspective as to where the cattle fence is.
I forgot about it.
How close can you get without landing?
She didn't want to come down.
I was holding off a little bit farther.
Oh, okay.
Smile if you're on camera.
Yeah.
Giving Elmer got a nice gentle ride.
Yeah. 30 seconds left.
Right now, this is that full. That's gonna cut off.
15.
Yeah, so it's probably working backwards. There you go. That's cut. And that's
That 5 minutes went by quick.
there. Gravel.
Time flies when you're having fun.
It does. It does.
What's showing me here, this is down here, and I got nothing. It doesn't move a lot, but I've got gravel on this area. Yeah, because when you raise it up, it looks like it's shutting down. And then when we turn it on, it goes down. So I think
Yeah,
Yeah.
another one down. If
Yes.
you like that, click that like button. Give me a thumbs up. If you really liked it, click subscribe. That would be great.
Thanks for watching, folks.